And just waiting for the final touches on this Manhattan Upper West Side Galley Kitchen on Central Park West that we just did. Just to snapping on the last toe kicks. Countertops are gonna come, they're gonna waterfall over the side. Right now we left the old sink temporarily so they have a sink to work from. That's what we got. Backsplash needs to be done. Some work. Let's see, drop back. Here we had to cut this, give a little less height on it. I mean a little less depth so we could squeeze that cabinet, 12-inch cabinet in there. And microwave, little finishing touch. 3-inch pull-out spice rack, rubber shelf. And Furnish My Space kitchen.